Hello. So I've had my first exam in care and prevention. Just had it yesterday. Got my grade back, and I received a high A, which I'm happy about. Going back through the exam now, I looked through and I saw the what questions that I missed. They were stupid mistakes. Like if I would have taken more time and really thought about it, I probably could have gotten them right. One of the questions, like it was the definitions between like impairment versus disability versus functional limitation. Like I overthought it and I was like, oh, well, this isn't exactly the same as what the definition was for disability earlier, so it can't be disability, and it was disability. Um, Other ones, it was stuff that I just hadn't paid as close attention to when I would go through back and study. I probably could have studied a little bit more or a little bit harder. One of the things I did notice when I was studying is I wasn't for sure how in depth to go in and how much I should study, how much I should remember, if I need to remember every little detail about this or details about that. Or that was probably one of my biggest things is I was going back through the PowerPoints and writing notes and handwriting everything out because I'd be able to study off that and have the muscle might from writing it. Might be able to remember from the test on the test then. Um, but I'm still proud of my grade. On some of the questions, I got partial points. I just didn't click enough of the boxes that I should have. Like one of the ones was what's going to disqualify you. I didn't click the long QT syndrome solely based on I wasn't exactly for sure what that syndrome was. So I was like, if I don't know what it does, then I don't know if it's going to disqualify somebody from a sport or not. Um, Other things were just maybe the wording. I didn't recognize it right away. I was like, oh, well, I know these two are right for sure, so I think they're not going to have like all of these aren't going to be the right answer unless it was the one that I knew every single thing was on there. Um, I'm definitely happy about my grade. I know going forward, I'm going to need to continue to study um, just as hard, if not even harder, for the upcoming tests. And really, that's it. I mean, I feel like the information was taught really well, and it was just on me to study it, and I think I did a pretty effective job. Granted, I had some extra credit in there to help me get up from the Kahoot game, but other than that, like I'm pretty proud of it, and hopefully I'll just be able to continue that through the rest of the tests and the rest of the semester.